Guys, galing na po ako ng DNB pero hindi na po available ang change address po dito sa DNB. Kailangan na po sa online, pipilapan siya online at submit po doon. So in KNBs po, susubukan ko pong pumunta ng online para i-update po yung aking driver's license, yung change address. Kapag hindi ko po magawa, dudublihin ko po, mayroon po akong application kung para maipadala na lang po or i-going po online po ngayon. Susubukan po natin para makapagbili po tayo ng ating kailangan po. So ito po yung mabuti po, pumunta po tayo dito, hindi po tayo masyadong matagal sa line. Siyempre po para siguro nagbawas po ng mga tao. Kaya yung registration, change address, registration sa car, change po yung renewal ng driver's license, yung lahat ng po, kailangan ng ID except registration car, driver's license, renew driver's license. So lahat ng ganun po ay sa online na po. Kaya umuwi na po tayo, lalakad tayo ulit. Meron po tayo. So yan po yung po natin, gagala-gala po tayo. Tingnan lang po natin. Nagdala nga ako ng checkbook po para sigurado na po yung tawag nito. Kung in case na magbabaya po tayo, kung hindi po kailangan, kulang po ako ng cash, pwede po tayo mag-write ng check. Kaya lang po sa online po natin gagawin. Titingnan ko po mamaya pagdating ko po sa bahay kung magagawa ko po ito. Mayroon tayong application, pilapan po natin. So yan po yung po, kasi wala po tayong kailangan kasi po ng yung tawag nito, yung mayroon kang address talaga na bahay, tapos yun po yung Hello. How are you? how are you? I am walking from the DNB going to the bus stop. Yeah, I just came from the DNB already. But I need to change my address, but it's I need to do it online, so I'm going home. I took the bus. I donate my car because I don't want to pay a lot of maintenance, It's an old car. I rather, yeah, I get the bus. I pay $27 for monthly bus. Well, it's like 15 minutes from where walk down to the bus stop for 6 minutes, and for the bus it's 15 minutes. I bet work. I've been doing that one for a long time. I think it's 2013 before my foot has a surgery. No, it's I accidentally, but because you got also a missed call on me last Monday, and I don't really answer my phone because there's so many phone calls that I don't know the number. That's why I said text first, and and then let me know if you are the one, because so many. Yeah, they don't leave a voicemail. They don't leave a voicemail. Yeah. I'm blocking it. I'm blocking it. I'm blocking it. I don't need to deal with. I don't need to deal with people. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah, you know, the only thing, the reason why I don't answer call, last March, I think March or April of this year, I think two of my credit card and then my bank account was closed because of the scammer. So I got my credit card that was used in Facebook, TikTok, and you know, Apple Store. And I said, I don't order those. It's not mine. And then after those, I got my bank account and my debit card. So that's the reason why I don't order online except Amazon. That's the one I really don't know. Because first I got my Facebook was hacked. That's why I'm not really active in Facebook. I'm inactive in YouTube because I'm blogging. I am even blogging now while I'm talking to you. Yeah, I don't have problem with my email. My email is not, I don't really give in my email address. And I don't, and also in Facebook, if I don't give you my Facebook account or Messenger, there is no way I will accept you or something. If I give in, one time there is a Filipina married with American man. She was asked, she come into me and requested for friendship because she wants to know what kind of remittance that I need to send money to the Philippines because she's using Western Union, and I said I don't use Western Union. I use something else. And after that, my Facebook account. I was in the car with my nephew, my stepson, and my stepdaughter. Four of us driving home from San Mateo to Stockton because my stepdaughter lives in Stockton. All of a sudden, I'm not using my phone. It's too dark. My stepdaughter says like, "Why are you asking me how I am doing?" And I said, "What? I'm not even touching my phone." And then because we are full in the car, and then the other lady is like, "Yes, Ate, you're asking if I am doing, if I'm, sending money in Walmart." I said, "I don't even know where is Walmart here." So those are the beginning, and they're asking bank account using my name, my Facebook name. That's why if you look, going to my Facebook account, I have 3 active account there. You don't know which one you're gonna click because before you click, they're gonna go to the request messenger. If I don't click that messenger, you are not gonna come in, you cannot send me any messages. So that's why if you're gonna go to my Facebook account, either Lito salad with Philippine flag, or the other one is the homemade rice cake that I made. I did not put my picture profile already, so that way they don't know. And then there's one that is my two of those is my profile, but I'm not. Those are not really active. So, oh yeah. Too many scammer right now. Too many, especially the Facebook right now. Facebook is, it's the king of the scammer. Well, I'm doing pretty good. Same to you. Now I'm going to go someplace. I'm gonna go to Rosa and window shopping over there. Because I need. Yeah, I'm still in the bus stop right now. I'm here in Poplar. That's in San Mateo. Because I need to send boxes in the Philippines with food. Like canned food, because I will be spending my Christmas and New Year in the Philippines this year since 1983 until now, and this is my very first time to see my 3 siblings. And yeah, that's the reason why I changed my address, because I need to get a ticket to buy a plane ticket to going home. No, I need to come back here on February 10. I need to come back because I need to go back to work, and then next year, that's the one I will decide if I will definitely back home after I get my Philippines citizen, or if I'm still coming back here, I might move somewhere, not in San Mateo, because San Mateo is really expensive. Well, right now I'm staying with my son for temporarily. I did not really looking for a place because I thought I could get 6 month leave and absence, but they only give me 3 months. So it's okay for 3 months, I can still stay than 2 weeks. They can either, they want me to choose between 3 weeks or 3 months. So, of course, so I can enjoy visiting all this. No, first of all, you cannot do anything. You need to jet lag for 1 week, and then 2 weeks. In 1 week, you need to come back here, so you're doing nothing over there. But 3 months, I can visit a lots of places in the Philippines, like Palawan, going to Boracay, or going to Bohol, and going to Mindanao, something like that. So, yes. Okay, same to you. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye. Sounds like somebody's talking. Somebody called me. Of course, I'm talking. I'm talking, guys. Somebody talking to me. So, talking about business, talking about vacationing. So, yan po. Someone just giving me a surprise call. So, andito po tayo sa may South Delaware and Poplar. So, kahapon, kung hindi ko nakalimutan na pumunta dito, dapat pumunta na ako dito kahapon. Kasi Poplar na po nandito na po ako sa Poplar. Tapos po, nandito po tayo sa tapos Poplar, pumunta po ako ng El Camino, imbis na Poplar po yung pupuntahan natin. Kasi yung building na po yun ay school po yan, high school po yan, San Mateo High School. Diyan po si Brady, si Tom Brady nag-aaral po ng high school. Oh, I think Tom Brady is in Aragon High School or San Mateo High School, something like. So nandito po tayo. Tapos po, ito po water district po dito. Ito po yung water district po. Dito po yung water district. Yan po yung water district po na po na ito po yung magbabayad kayo ng dito po yung tubig. So nandito po tayo sa South Delaware po. Hindi po ako nakapag hindi po ako nakapag renew po o nakakuha po ng kasi kailangan ko pong i-change yung address ko po sa online. Binigyan lang po ako ng application. Mabuti na lang po, hindi po ako masyadong kaninang umaga po ako pumunta doon. Baka po yun. Baka anong tawag nito? Kaya hindi ko po pakimalayo pong line ko kasi pag ganyan po yung line yan eh. Yung pag ganyan, tapos pag ganyan, tapos ganyan ulit, tapos ganyan. So dito po kanina, pang-8 po ako sa nakalain kanina. So pang-8, hindi po masama. Tapos ngayon nakauwi na ako, dito po tayo sa basta kasi kung tingnan po natin sa Ross po kung makakuha po ako ng magandang sweat pants para pang po natin doon sa pang po natin susuot po natin sa pauwi. Hindi tayo magpantalon po ng magbibuild kasi masakit sa tiyan yung build. Kailangan lang po yung elastic sa tiyan para kasi long biyahe po yan. So yan po yung so po itong lugar na to ayan po yung po Delaware po. So hindi po masyadong mapuno. Mga apartment po yan. Apartment o bahay. Yeah, apartment. Yeah, parang apartment po o bahay something. Duplex. Parang duplex. So shout out po sa lahat-lahat. Tamat po sa lahat ng aking mga minamahal na mga subscriber, silent viewers, sa mga OFWs, kaibigan mato hindi, miga love shout out po. So sa lahat-lahat po ng sumusuporta po ng aking channel at sumusugod po ng aking channel, maraming salamat po. At thank you sa lahat po na sumusuporta talagang I'm glad na po kahit hindi po ako kinukumusta po ng aking mga kapatid. Isa lang yung kapatid na kumusta po sa akin, pero okay na po, nandyan po kayo palagi. Pinasuportahan po niyo kayo po nagbibigay po ng lakas ng loob po. Kayo po, dyan po kayo, hindi po niyo ako iniwan. Maraming salamat po. At shout out po sa lahat-lahat ng mga sumusugod na mga team, sa akin, yung mga sumusuporta po sa akin sa mga OFWs. Maraming salamat po, hindi ko na po kayo masushout out po. Pero shout out po magsushout out po ako kay Miss Santos Vlog, Iduchi, Gitsi Luto, Mama Sinya, Eric Corpus, Iduchi, Kila is Life, Run Away, Team Mukya, Team Kapitnana Maitla, Team Mayor, Team Beji, Team Mama Sinya, Team Eric, Team Erminomi Santos Vlog, Team Kirin Suzuki. Sa lahat na po, maraming salamat po kanyo. At saka kay JC Pinariho, Team Pula, Kasangga Kalimbang Boy, Suword Fanatic. Thank you po.